Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to create an Excel file or put a data into Excel file and then save into a local directory. So in the action window we will search Excel Advanced, and under Excel Advanced we will select create workbook. Yes. Now in the properties we will set a path where our Excel file has to be saved. So I will set a path and then name I think something is missing. Yes, after that I will call customer detail dot xlsx file extension, sheet name customer detail. We can also set a password which is optional. Now we also the session name is default. We will also learn about this session, why we use session for future tutorials. So for we will just set the path and the sheet name for Excel, then configure. After that, once we create our sheet, we will open our sheet. Now we will select open. Open desktop file. Now here we are using desktop file, not classroom file. We can also use classroom file by uploading into the classroom and then import here, but here we will use a desktop file. Here we set the same path which we set above for creating Excel file. We will select a read write mode. After that we'll leave this. Yes, session detail is default. Then click yes. We also have to save the script. After that, first step we create our Excel, and the next step we open our Excel. Now the third step is to write into Excel. So we will use write from data table. Yes, here we have to use variable which is table data type. We will name our data table is my data and create a table. Let's suppose 5 row 2 column. Okay, now in the first column let's suppose we say name. First row is the header, name and ID. Let's suppose ID. So I put dummy data here. So ID is 1 2 3 1 2 4 1 2 5 and 1 2 6. I have created a table with 5 row and 2 column, then apply to the changes. Okay, 5 by 2 table type variable is created. Now I have assigned this table variable to write into the Excel. We also specify the cell. So the first cell of the Excel is A1. That's why I specify A1 as the starting cell. We also enter the worksheet name as a active worksheet because we have only one worksheet inside the Excel. So the active worksheet will be selected, then save. After saving that, we have to close the work Excel sheet. Session default. Oops, I think I have picked wrong activity. Delete action. Close is the right action which we have to select. Yes, session is default. Save changes when closing. Yes, save. Then let's have a run. Let's have a run. What's happening in the script? Downloading dependencies. Now our bot is executing. First created Excel file, then put some data inside, and then run successfully. Let's have a look in our local directory and check the Excel file is created or not. Here the Excel file is created. Let's look inside. Oh yes. So the complete table is input into the Excel sheet. So in this tutorial we first create a workbook, Excel workbook, and then save it to a directory. After that we open the same workbook which we have created and put some data inside the Excel and then close the Excel. So that's all for this tutorial. In next tutorial we'll learn how to put some data into a specific cell on basis of some conditions. So that's all from this tutorial.